This is my new Nugget that I've picked up. It's an XR5 Turbos, brother. Fully hectitious. And in this video, we are clearing up these, oh, I don't even know, yellowy, poo-coloured headlights. And see how they turn up. We're in the car now. It smells like, I can't even describe it, like sweaty socks with Lynx cologne spray, body spray. Gear knob's an absolute shambles, brother. What is that, cuz? Electrical tape. This isn't even like connected. Brother, what the hell, man? Oh, that is gross. Okay, now I kind of fixed the gear knob situation. You know, man, like, it's temporary, okay? This is a gear knob I just had laying around in the garage, and, you know, works well. So, you know, man, good temporary fix, you know? So that poo one. This is the before and after we'll do of the interior. Just fixed the gear knob from what it was. Still not great, but, you know.
Just watch out for hypodermic needles.
Yeah, especially seeing as though there's a COVID test in here.
And touch it.
Touching
the carpet.
Looks like he was
Positive.
negative, so that's good at least.
Touching the carpet. What?
I'm touching the carpet. I now have herpes. Look what we found. A Macca's chip, the infamous Macca's chip. We got the vacuum. Now we're vacuuming. Here it looks 10 times better than what it was already. Still got some cleaning to do, but yeah. This is currently after we've cleaned without the wet vac. There's still some specks of, you know, stuff we couldn't get out with the vacuum cleaner, but it's looking a lot nicer in here. And it's starting to rain now as well, so and in the front it's looking a lot cleaner in here. Still have to do the driver's area, so we'll get to that now. Alright, now onto the driver's side. This is why you take the driver's seat out. Look at that. Not good. Alright, just a very quick vacuum, looking a lot better already. And now what I'm gonna do is gonna get one of these brushes and I'm gonna dip it in some carpet cleaner and then just, you know, drill around in the carpet with some carpet cleaner everywhere and get it really nice and clean, because clearly whatever that is something that'll need some cleaner. There we go, with 30 minutes of some work, it's looking 10 times better. So much cleaner. And this is after on the passenger side. Very nice and clean. And suddenly the car's a lot cleaner now. No more of the gross bits. The steering wheel's nice and clean everywhere. Looking fabulous now. Absolutely hectic, brother. Fully hectic. And now I just got to clean the floor mats and then interior can be reassembled. Floor mats are in now and we'll get to putting the seats in. I'm just doing some leather conditioning for the seats now. I'm just using this Oakwood pack, complete protection pack for leather, and yeah, just letting it sit now after applying the first cleaning. This liquid cleaner. Alright, interior fully assembled, looking very nice. Very nice, Guzzy. Very nice and clean. And this is what came out of the car. Yeah. And all that. Yeah, it's gross. Oh, jeez. This is the polished one. This is the non-polished. Yeah, that one's very cloudy. Okay, so just did a bit of a polish on the bonnet and you can see huge difference. The bonnet's actually savable and not too far gone. And then that headlight, as you saw in the last video. So yeah, it's getting good. So finished polishing the whole thing. It's come out amazing. Both headlights done. Wow, what a difference. Huge difference. Now we're just going to give the engine bay a bit of a cleanup and tidy. Needs it, that's for sure. Engine bay's been cleaned. It's looking better.
Hello guys, we've reached the end of the video. Disclaimer, there was some gross things in the start of the video, which you've already seen, so therefore the disclaimer doesn't matter anymore, but I'm doing it now. So just be careful. In the footage you just watched, there was dirt and gross things that you could have seen, so just be careful for that. But anyway, I hope you liked and subscribed so far, because if you haven't, like, that's just rude. First off, like, it's offensive to me. So if you haven't done that yet, do it right now. So thank you. And my next video, I'll be buying a hospital and repurposing it. Mr. Beast.